So we all eat snacks, right? Potato chips, candy, whatever it is. Typically it's in between meals, in between lunch, dinners, probably the most time when we get those cravings to eat all that just terrible food that we shouldn't be eating, but sometimes those cravings just are so overwhelming that we just can't help ourselves. My thing that I'm guilty of doing is taking a spoon, open up a jar of peanut butter and just taking it straight. I love it. It gives me a sense of satiety, or that sense of fullness. To me, it's a great meal replacement. Might not be the best thing because there is some carbohydrate in there, but it's high protein and there are healthy fats found in there. One thing that's not found in almond butter, cashew butter, peanut butter are significant levels of polyunsaturated fatty acids like DHA Omega 3. So what I do, I take O3 Omega Smoothies, not peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I take it and same thing. Instead of taking my almond butter and putting that spoon in there, I take the not peanut butter and jelly sandwich, put it right here on a spoon, and check this out. So you actually see the black specks from the almond hull in there. So not peanut butter and jelly sandwich, we actually use about 30% organic, non-GMO, unsweetened, unsalted almond butter in the actual product. So we use almond butter, we use actual food to flavor the product. You get 400 milligrams of DHA in 1 tablespoon, 3,000 milligrams of MCT from coconuts. It's organic, it's vegan, it's natural. So stop with the almond butter, no more peanut butter, O3 Omega Smoothies, not peanut butter and jelly sandwich, just 1 spoon. Tastes great. It's like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. You actually taste peanut butter, which is not peanut butter. That's why we call it not peanut butter and jelly sandwich flavor. It's almond butter, it's organic. You get some of the strawberry from a natural strawberry puree concentrate that we use for flavor. You get the bread, but there's no real bread. We get that from just the tiered flavor system, utilizing the fat from DHA and the MCT in order to enhance that flavor. So all the flavor comes from fat. All the flavor comes from actual natural organic almond butter. So visit o3smoothies.com, order some, try it. We have some sales going on. You'll love it. And satiation, weight loss, healthy heart, anti-inflammatory, healthy brain, give it a try. Until next time.